Here it is. The straw bale garden continues to proceed. Found 2 more bales of straw put on there. And I was reading up about how to set them up, and they said turn them on their sides so that the strings are on the sides, not the top and bottom. And also you got to look to see which side is the side that's folded, and that goes on the bottom, so all of the straw ends stick up on the top. And I probably can't even show you that, but maybe you can see it here. That one had a little mouse activity before I got it. And then you look at this one here, you see all the ends of the straw sticking out, and that's the side you want up because that gathers water better. Helps when you're watering the bales, especially once you've got them planted. But I also put my end posts up to hold the ends so that the bales stay there. I still have to wire them, put some boards across the top there to keep them from being pulled towards each other by the wires, but that's easy enough. So that's the progress for today. What is today? The 15th of April, I believe. Saturday, I think. Anyway, so that's the story so far. Thanks for watching.